Hello, it's Caitlin. It's so nice to see you at here, yeah. And I come from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today I want to share with you some of our products, yeah. Okay, let's check the detail first, okay, for this one, yeah. We package with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yeah, it's environmental friendly. There had the label on it. The first line, the Shumatt logos. If you want to print out with your own logo, yes, contact us. Because we Shumatt, we supply you the customized services, the logo, the label, the package bags. Yes, we can help you to design it. This line is the product model number F00RJ02714. Yeah, on this line is the application injector model number 0445120235. This is a QR code on this part and other informations. Okay, let's Caitlin to open it for you, okay? Let's see what's in the inside part. Done. This is our product. We have the two kinds of packages. This one, yes, we have this one and that one. Okay. And let's check more details for this one. I will open it in this way. And this is inside. We pack it with oil paper. Okay, let's see. This is the inside part of our product. We not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate part. Let's see the separate part. The separate part, you can see this is a valve cap. For our valve cap, we have the coating and with some curved letters on it. This is a valve roll. For valve roll, we have different lengths and sizes. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Yep. Each item, before we seal it, we will test it many times. And so our product really have the high qualities. Okay, so much for the product sharings. Yes, actually we have many model numbers. If you are not familiar with models, send us a product code. We can help you to check it. Yeah. Okay. At here, I want to share with you 3 tips. The first tip is if you want to clean the product, the spare parts, you'd better to use oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly, yeah, after the assembly the inject bodies. The third tip is make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you about our product. Also, we have the 6 months warranty, 6 months, yeah, 6 month warranty, a long time. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, contact us and return it, exchange the product for you. Okay, except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes, including the product we are showing today. Actually, each week we have different videos and the live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. And actually, if you want to contact us, we also have the WhatsApp. Yep. On the videos, we have the WhatsApp and the Facebook, the YouTube, and other phone informations. If you want to contact us, yeah, choose one social mediums to contact us. Except that, yes, remember to follow us at our channel, the Facebook and the YouTube channel, yeah, so that next week maybe you can see our new videos, okay? And I thought maybe it's time for us to say goodbye to each other, and because today it's so much for today's product introductions. If you want to see more videos, please focus at our channel. And today, that's all. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, my friend. Bye bye.